Hello everybody. Today we're continuing on into orange belt territory with the Master Lock 570. This does not have a spring shackle and it is key retaining, which means it probably doesn't have spool pins. Normally the brass ones that have the spring shackle have the spool pins in it. As you can see the keyway there, we're going to be at the bottom of the, no! I told you about that. Top of the keyway. Top of the keyway. Tensioner. And a 20 thousandths, I think. Pick. Short hook. Right. Pin them on. Nothing on 2, 3, 4. Something on 4. Back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are open. Pretty easy pick. I didn't feel any spool pins or counter rotation, so we're probably accurate with the no spool pins. Orange belt, medium tension, top of the keyway, 40 thousandths, 20 thousandths short hook. You could get in there with the 25 thousandths, but you're going to have to pick off the side of the warding over here and to avoid that tooth. Anyway, if you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. There's a longer version to this on my channel. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you, everybody.